Good morning, T-Wolves. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Andrew.
And this is T-Wolf TV for Monday, October 2nd. Please stand and join us in listening to the national anthem and reciting the Pledge of Allegiance. Time to dust off your jackets. Fall has officially arrived. Temps today are 20 degrees below normal, and the upper elevations of Mount Timpanogos are covered in snow. Here at T-Wolf TV's Miles Lewis and Brinley Peterson with more on the weather.
It was raining outside. It's not anymore, but it was raining, and the ground was wet. And Timpanogos got snow. We did not. And Uinta got snow, and we did not. So let's cross our fingers and keep it that way, because I'm ready for fall. Spooky season, Halloween, no snow on Halloween. It's a great day to be a T-Wolf.
Thanks, Brinley and Miles. Temps should be back to the mid-70s by the end of the week.
Last Friday was the Great Glory Road at THS, where band cheered the football team, and many of you showed off your school spirit. T-Wolf TV's Caleb Choke was there and brings us the story.
It's gonna be fun. We're gonna win.
Yes, it's our homecoming. We have to. It's gonna be so fun, dude.
We are obviously. T-Wolf. It'll be a good game. We're gonna crush Mountain View. It's gonna be pretty high. I'm so hyped. We're gonna destroy Mountain View. Mountain View, more like Mountain Blind. More like Mountain View. Heck yeah, dude. Gonna go. Gonna win. Homecoming for T-Wolves.
Not hearing your favorite rock songs on the radio? Tune into KTWF 88.9 FM radio. The Wolf for all your classic rock favorites, 24/7 KTWF 88.9 FM. Rocks the block.
Just a reminder that all reflection entries are due 1 week from today, Friday, October 6th. Submit entries in one of 7 categories, including visual arts, dance, music competition, photography, literature, or film production. You may enter each category once. Submit your original creations at utahpta.org/ref.
Congratulations to the football team in their 35-30 win over Payson. Congratulations to the girls soccer team, who are new region champs by beating Provo 4-0 in region play. And congratulations to the THS boys and girls cross-country teams who placed 3rd in region.
That's it for today. For T-Wolf TV, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Brandon. Remember, T-Wolves, we
love you all.
Is this